Shopify Dawn theme transparent header tutorial. So hello guys and welcome back to today's video. In today's video, let's teach you how you can make your header in your Shopify Dawn theme transparent. So first things first, open your themes over here, click on the three dots and click on edit code. Now we have a guide here. So what we're going to look for is header.liquid.file. So over here, simply look for that specific name. So if you can't find it, we can simply search it here. So header. So over here we have header.liquid. So as you can see, header.liquid file. So now what we're going to look for is this specific section. Or we're going to actually just paste this at the very top. This one. So copy this one. And go over here and paste it over here. So you're simply going to save this. And if you preview your store right now, it should be able to modify or have this as a priority where it changes your header into transparent. So of course right now, mine doesn't have that much difference, but it will have that priority effect when it comes to your style. So that's basically it guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.